खूब जमेगा रंग जब मिल बैठेंगे तीन यार, मैं स्नेहिल और अब्बास और आप यार और आप भी चार यार
जहाँ चार यार मिल जाए वही रात तू गुजार जहाँ चार यार।
परफेक्ट बिगनिंग। ग्रेट।
अरे हमें ज्यादा हंसने से भी मना किया है किसी ने कमेंट्स में।
यार लोग तो बोलेंगे भाई।
कह रहे हंस मत और फिर देन इज लाइक तेरे जोक भी अच्छे नहीं है।
वो तो ठीक, वो तो सही है, accurate. Yeah,
That is fair.
that we can't.
Sorry guys, we are not better comedians. Sorry.
We were actually discussing that how Abbas was
Almost on comics that I've mentioned it before also.
क्या बात? Why haven't
On
I
the
paid attention to this?
First
It's
season
okay,
of
man.
Comics Stan. I'm there on the first episode of the first season for like 4 seconds.
Ha, loser.
How many seconds are you there for?
I did apply. Zero. I was too good. You're like, sir, you have bypassed this platform. You don't need to be on this anymore. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn Mission. I'm Adrish Akash, joined by
Snail and Aja.
and
Abbas Momin.
And today we are talking about all the epic, awesome Bollywood movie characters that we would like to be friends with.
Yes.
Why are we doing a friendship episode in April?
Around not Friendship Day.
Yeah, it's any time other than Friendship Day.
Yeah,
is,
this episode does not make sense.
Yeah, correct.
But we are realizing it right now.
You're realizing as we speak.
As we speak.
As we speak. Yes.
Also, as we speak, I am realizing one more thing, that you are wearing very color coordinated green, bro.
Oh yeah, man, that's what I do, man. I like
Like your shoes are green, your shirt is green, your watch is green.
Yeah, but yes, thank you. Thank you for noticing.
Yes.
I try to do this very often, where I will wear a colored shirt, and
His bag is also green.
yeah, and I'll wear a colored shirt, and I'll be like, oh, thank God, I have exact
Same color के shoes, yeah, dude.
and I have like a few sets like this that I can wear. Pretty cool.
Here comes the money.
Hey guys, you guys are also wearing okay clothes. Chalo, move on.
Yeah, I mean, I'm wearing a shirt for a change.
आज तो same.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not. Oh yeah.
My jersey today.
All three of us are. I guess we've grown up, guys.
Yes.
Like,
I've
we've
been
come
grown
to
up
that.
for a while. I
Fuck
think.
off.
I rarely wear t-shirts.
Yeah, that's true.
That is true, actually.
What would you say? How would you define friendship? How does the dictionary Webster define friendship? It's just like you know how you would wake up, you'd get
It's
up,
a good question.
you'd get up. This is one of those speeches.
Are you actually looking
Yeah.
for a dictionary
What
definition?
does a dictionary say about friendship?
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is
तू
literally
बता सकता है अपना
how
जो
the
तुझे
मतलब I
Webster
think
dictionary describes friendship as of so many toast speeches.
I think my friendship would be no questions asked in a lot of ways.
Bhai, you
It's
can't.
also how a lot of corruption and bribery works. No questions asked.
Why
Obviously
are you trying to kiss me? Hey, don't ask any questions. Hey,
Bro,
hey,
friendship-
Snail, why did you take that money out of my wallet? Bro, are we not friends, bro? Are we not friends? What the fuck? Why are you asking all these tough questions, man? Don't ask questions that you don't want to hear answers to.
The Merriam-Webster defines a friend as one attached to another by affection or esteem.
Oh, I thought by STD.
I mean, yeah, that's also one.
With benefits.
And then ifs and buts.
With ifs and buts.
But what
Have you
did
guys-
you say?
have
No
you guys-
questions asked, huh?
Yeah.
A more interesting question. Have you guys ever had friends with benefits?
Wow, I didn't see that question coming.
I haven't. Now you guys go.
No.
Okay. जवाब सबकी मम्मियाँ देख रही है. Before this, all we talk about is Abbas.
I mean, benefits like अगर मैं नहीं आया तो मेरी proxy लगा देना, that kind of benefits. Those kind of benefits.
Those are very friendly.
Yeah, very friendly.
बहुत ultra funny benefits. Nice.
Yeah.
Man, I feel sad for you now suddenly. These are the only kind of benefits I got.
Yeah.
He realizes all a lot of friends are getting laid.
You guys are getting paid?
Yeah. He's like, yeah, in school. Guys, yeah, I've had friends with benefits.
You guys are getting proxy?
He's getting proxy. Man, how to still come to class and all? How do I give proxy to other people? That's what I'm trying to have. Okay.
We still haven't told them what this episode is about, have we?
Oh, first sentence में बोल दिया था.
Oh, we did. Okay. Cool.
Awesome movie characters that
that
we
we
would like
want
to
to
be
we
friends
were
with.
friends with, not necessarily with benefits, but could be.
So ये अब्बास का डाउट है, अब्बास का
ये
इंटेंशन है, मोटिव है.
I will come to it when I mention that particular
Yeah.
friend.
I think another thing to consider while we're
Yeah.
talking on this topic, right, is there are certain friends who you have in certain phases of your life. You know, like there are certain an archetype of friend that you basically, you know, you don't keep in touch, and like college friends are just college friends, school friends are just school friends, and it very often remains like that. Is that the case?
Are
for
you in
guys?
touch with your college friends?
Almost not at all.
You?
I am. My best friend is from my college days.
Okay.
तो कॉलेज से अब कितने कुछ साल पहले तो निकला है ना?
7 साल.
ओ 7 साल हो गए.
Yeah,
भाई
I'm like-
मेरा भी यही रिएक्शन होता है. 7 साल हो गए.
I'm in touch with like all of 2 friends from college and another like handful from.
So I have 3 friends from college and 3 friends from school.
show off. अरे.
Define keeping in touch. Like if you say हाँ ऐसे टच करता है तुमको जाके.
Bhai, what is happening with our jokes?
Like there is
We should not.
there is a college friend group chat
Sure.
which whatever like on festivals or occasions it gets
know-
resurrected and like happy birthday.
I would say in nowadays that is considered keeping in touch also.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So in that way, yes, I'm kind of in touch with most of them.
When's
like
the last time you
close
talked to
knit-
one another?
Actually, not very long ago, last week. But that call was like after many years that I called him after a long
Hey bro,
time.
alive.
Yeah, also because he's not in India anymore; he's in Canada.
Okay.
So yeah, but when I started talking to him, it wasn't like it
Oh, yeah,
was like
that-
you're back.
It's the
Exactly,
shorthand,
exactly.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
back to
Even
like
I
how it
recently
was.
met one of my school friends जिससे usually we won't talk. Like वो उसका मेरे birthday message आ जाएगा, मेरा उसके birthday में चला जाएगा. But the other day when he called, he's like, I'm in Mumbai, bro. Let's catch up.
Right.
We caught up. We chatted and भाई 2-3 घंटे निकाल दिए गप्पे मारते मारते.
Oh, bro.
We
So
spoke
then-
for 10 minutes about WrestleMania.
Oh, wow.
Bro, WrestleMania for some reason always comes up whenever
I
I'm
mean,
talking
talk
to
about you guys, huh? सबका नहीं है था.
भाई
I
मतलब
guess-
अब आपका uncool childhood रहा है तो
भाई,
क्या कर सकते
मैंने
guess-
मैंने बहुत देखा है.
Wrestling was the true friend we made along the way.
Yeah, bro. John Cena for life.
When was the last time you were friend zoned?
That's not a thing anymore, bro.
What do you mean?
Yeah, that's a very it's a very like
High school
outdated way to look at things. No, that you if you're friends with the opposite sex, then you're expecting that a relationship is owed to you, and if you don't get it, you're friend zoned.
Dude, friend zone is an actual thing that happens.
What is it? What I describe that is
Dude,
what friend zone
if
is,
you
right?
are trying to hook up with someone and that person has clearly friend zoned you, it's called friend zone for a reason.
What is friend? That's what. No, you don't. The other person doesn't owe you.
Who's saying anything about owing?
ओइंग वाली बात थोड़ी है game.
भाई,
वही तो होता है friend zone और क्या होता है?
this
कि if you're
stop being this ultra feminist.
no, I'm not being ultra feminist. I'm just being a sensible guy.
I mean, so a person who can't address that friend zoning is a thing.
It's not. That's what I'm. The term friend zone तू ऐसे de facto उसको लेके चल रहा है. I'm saying the definition of friend zone is just that, right? That your ulterior motive of being friends with someone is that you get something in return.
But
and if you don't, then you're like,
No.
अरे bro मेरे साथ का tragedy हो गया उसने मेरे को friend zone कर
पर
दिया.
भाई प्यार दोस्ती है ना भाई आप
वही तो.
No, I'm
That
not
is anti friend zone.
no, I'm not even talking about it like that. Okay, we were friends first and now I'm trying to hook up. It can also be that you were on a date and it didn't work out and now you're friend zoned.
No, it's not.
It can be. How is
Fine, I opt out of it. You two
maybe
can
you have
discuss.
this much game or something? That you're like,
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
I'm not
Never
been friend
got
zoned
friend
ever.
zoned.
What are you
Whenever
talking
he's
about?
on a
This
date.
concept my brain cannot grasp.
whenever he's on a date he's like so Nolan do you
That's not even a joke. Like that's literally what happens on my days.
You know the way Christopher Nolan made
Nolan
that.
फिर भी तूने
that truck flip.
mainstream नाम ले लिया. Like, so Kubrick's Eyes Wide Shut.
सॉल्व कर लेती हूँ सारे कलर्स एक तरीके आ जाते हैं तुम्हारे क्यूब यू नो
Kubrick.
मुझे पता है
Kubrick's Rube.
Hey, will you help me solve this Sudoku in today's paper?
That's not me. I hate Sudokus.
Crossword puzzle.
But yeah, I don't believe in friend zones.
So fuck you, man.
Yeah, fuck you too.
भाई I have not been on enough dates to get
क्या
friend zone
झूठ बोल रहा है कसम.
भाई सच बोल रहा हूँ भाई
Why
बहुत
sale?
सच
We find out every second is on a date, man.
वही तो अभी डेट का एग्जांपल दिया तूने. I was in my element battling traffic with a date. भाई 25 मिनट होगा हमने एक पिक्चर की बात नहीं की अभी तक.
25 मिनट
ऐसा
हो गए
लग रहा है
हो।
मुझे. नहीं 25 नहीं हुए. 10-12 मिनट तो हो
बात
गए.
होंगे anyway चलो फिल्मों पे आ जाते हैं यार it's a podcast
Any other existential questions
that you want to ask
When was the last time you were friend zoned? That's a more interesting question.
भाई उसकी शादी हो चुकी
हाँ
है
इसीलिए तो इंटरेस्टिंग है.
Okay, ठीक है.
वो 3 साल से रिलेशनशिप में भी था भाई he'll have to go pre-covid
Yeah, it's been a while because the last girl I married, you know, who didn't friend zone me.
Yet.
Not yet. Yes. अब शादी के बाद she's like, sorry, can we be friends only?
She sugar zones you. She looks very
yeah,
closely at the amount of sugar you're
Yeah,
having.
that's true, man. She's trying to keep me healthy.
हाँ भाई,
Trying to keep me
she
healthy.
stood at the door. She's like, मैं देखूंगी पहले कि तू
साला कितना sugar ले रहा है।
कितना चीनी डालता है.
Yes, correct. Because yeah, she's trying to keep me healthy, man. It's a good thing.
नहीं,
Yeah.
it's a good thing, यार.
Yeah.
So-
But yeah, the last time I was friend zoned would be in like fucking college.
College के बाद you've never been friend zoned.
और मेरे को गेम की बात कर रहे
Well,
थे.
I have good game. Yeah,
So good that you married the last person you
yeah,
were
man.
with.
That's good game, dude. Yeah, that's a good game. But like rarely so, man. Oh no, it did happen. So it's like 2021, I want to say. Yep.
Okay.
And
Be careful.
With the timeline.
Yeah, 2021.
Be very careful with the timeline.
2021, beginning of the year.
और make sure Kirti does not listen to the episode.
No, it's fine. Yeah, I might
जब
get dates wrong.
पूरे इंडिया में कोविड जोन हो रहे थे तो you were getting friend zoned in 2021.
Ah, bro, that's why.
Right.
क्यों?
Because-
मतलब उधर
She was
लोगों
like,
को
I
सिलेंडर
would-
नहीं मिल रहा है.
I'd rather meet
सांस
anyone
लेने
else
के-
than this guy. Was the vibe I got.
मेरे को सांस लेने के वांदे हो रखे हैं पर
Dude, I've actually been on dates where
उनको सांस
it would
नहीं
be-
आ रही थी?
No, where it would be I would clearly get friend zoned. Okay, and they would essentially even say, "Ke oh, you know, like I'm not feeling that vibe, but you seem like a very chill person. Okay, I would love to hang out sometime." So I would always assume they're saying hang out sometime, like oh, just to get done with this date. But they would follow up, "Hey, when are we hanging next?"
Yeah.
As friends. I don't want to hang out as friends. I just said we have enough friends. I don't want more friends. What the fuck? That's what it is. All right. Let's get to the topic.
Let's
right?
get to the topic. Let's dive right in.
Yeah, right into the topic.
20 मिनट बकैती काटने के बाद. Let's dive right in.
So, okay then, let's get to the meat of today's
Yes.
today's episode, which is what Bollywood character would you like to be friends with? Starting out with who would you like to go? Who would like to go first?
Abbas bhai, you only start.
Sure. So my
Namesake
first.
में इरफान का जो कैरेक्टर था वो अगर मेरा दोस्त होता.
Yeah.
What?
Are we going in order of game? Okay. fine.
Yeah. My first choice is Samir from Dil Chahta Hai, which is played by Saif Ali Khan.
पता उन्होंने
I think-
पॉडकास्ट
कर दिया ना,
स्टार्ट
तूने
करने से
सुना नहीं ना
पहले
मेरा
बोला
बात?
था.
क्या?
You didn't hear what I said, no?
What did I say?
कि we'll come up with these cliche
Yeah.
answers.
Yeah, it is cliche.
Like
I said.
अब दोस्त जैसा अरे ये 3 दोस्त में अरे क्या मस्त दोस्त है ये लोग 3 लोग मेरे को भी चौथा दोस्त बनने का है उनमें से.
Yeah.
So yeah, ZNMD के तीनों
No,
guys.
I want to be friends with Samir, not with Akash and Siddharth.
Yeah, because they are one is too boring, one is too
And one is too over smart.
too
Yeah.
mischievous.
Yeah, so this
I want
middle
someone
guy.
who gets who falls in love with a new girl every day.
But I'm not a girl.
Be friends with a boy.
Anyway, I'd love to be friends with him. He seems like a nice, chill guy who has a nice house in Bombay. And
Oh, that's right.
he's funny. And just seems like an overall chill guy, man. That
Okay, easily scammable.
easily scammable. Yes,
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
borrow money from him whenever I want.
And
It
never
seems
pay
like
him
I
back.
And
never pay him back.
Correct.
Yeah.
He can obviously come to Bombay
By
from
truck.
Goa
On a pillow.
On a pillow.
Sitting on a pillow on a truck.
On a truck.
But yeah, he seems like a kind of guy. Even though I think in the movie it is implied that Akash is richer than him, or they are more or less on the same
Yeah, that's what it is.
level. But also importantly, he's the guy who जो उन दोनों की सुलह कराना चाहता है. Like he doesn't want shit in his life. Like he doesn't want drama.
Oh, so all the friends that you have had fights with in your life, it's up to Samir now to fix.
Don't
those.
try to like what
How else?
over
I'm
intellectualize.
trying to help you.
Like, oh, this is what, so that must mean you this. No,
I'm trying to
just
help
saying.
you, bro.
He seems like a guy
You
who
don't want my
doesn't
help?
who doesn't
It's a
want
horrible
drama.
choice.
He seems like a guy who doesn't want drama and would be fun to hang.
But
with.
he makes fun of Subodh.
Of Subodh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Subodh deserves to be made fun of.
Bro, are you
Oh,
mad?
you're a bully, so you're a bully.
No,
Some-
see,
a person who just is engaged.
what
to
you
someone.
realize is that the like women actually want guys like Subodh. Like women will always go to guys like Subodh because guys like Subodh are sorted in life.
Are you mansplaining women on the podcast now? What the fuck?
After saying I don't believe in friends.
Yeah,
zones.
bro. Yeah, correct. No wonder.
No, but guys like
owes me a relationship, guys.
सुबोध तेरे को नहीं लगता सुबोध जैसे आदमी जो है असल जिंदगी में they are the ones who succeed. And because they succeed, they are the ones who get the,
Yeah, that's
get
true,
the
man.
girl.
People who are very
No,
punctual,
that though I
they
agree.
succeed.
I'm saying
Yeah.
why are you making fun of Subodh there?
Because he's a douche. He's a douchebag.
So you want to be friends with a douchebag?
No, Subodh is a douchebag. That's why he was made fun of.
Subodh is
Subodh
a
कैसे
straight shooter,
douchebag
dude.
था भाई?
He
Subodh,
wasn't a jerk. Douchebag is jerk, you know. Usually.
Subodh, he's not cool, right? Samir is cool. That's
Not
why he
being
makes
cool
fun
is a
of
douchebag.
Yeah.
Dude, actually, Samir is the douchebag.
यहाँ पे
here.
हमने आइसक्रीम खाई थी ये douchebag habit नहीं है.
That's
नहीं,
loser
that's
talk,
sweet.
dude.
That's loser.
What is a loser?
sweet talk.
If
Not a
not a
douchebag.
douchebag.
Douchebag is like jerk. You're a jerk. You're
What is a
douchebag.
loser? What is a douchebag and what is a jerk?
I just said, dude. A jerk and douchebag are the same thing. Loser is like a loser. Like,
No, for me they're all the same.
You're wrong.
So for me, Subodh is a douchebag.
Forgotten how.
That's why
concepts
Samir
work.
and me make fun of
Dude,
Subodh the douchebag.
You realize Samir is the actual douchebag in that scenario?
No,
Dude, he's
Samir
the one
is
who's
the cool guy.
He stole that guy's fiance. Yeah, cool guy.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, but how's that a good friend?
Why is that not a good friend? So if I'm friends with Samir and Samir,
समझ के नहीं आ रहा।
if I'm Samir's friend and Samir steals Subodh's fiance,
हाँ।
Samir will come chill with me, have a doobie and tell me that story. I'm
And
like,
like
cool
steal your
story, bro.
fiance, dude.
No.
What do you mean, bro?
Why
How
is
do you
there?
know that?
There is no fiance of mine in this situation.
In this situation, not yet.
Or in any situation. So I'm safe.
I'll never have a fiance because Samir is my friend.
ए ऐसे तो दिल चाहता है तो आकाश भी चुराता है ना लड़की.
Everyone's a douchebag, dude. That's what I'm saying.
But not Akshay Khanna.
Akshay Khanna.
Akshay
yeah.
Khanna is too serious and fucking.
हाँ, मतलब Akshay is you.
हाँ, that's why I can't be friends with myself, right?
For sure.
Yeah.
We
Also,
can
I like
relate.
older women, but we'll not go there.
And you're balding.
Did we just deconstruct Dil Chahta Hai?
Nice.
So yeah, my choice is Samir from Dil Chahta Hai, who's not a douche. He's really cool guy.
Dude,
I
please
know
tell
how-
us in the comment where you stand or how.
Bro, he
is
does this-
Samir a douchebag or not?
He does this that dance step.
Like
That's
that-
so cool. मुझे तो लगता है वो रशियन भी नहीं थी.
उस बेचारे ने कमेंट किया था हंसना कम करना पिछले 10 मिनट से
मैं तो अपना डिफेंड कर रहा हूँ यार. चॉइस तुम लोग ही हंस रहे हो.
इतना गंदा defend कर रहे
Top that guys. Samir from Dil Chahta Hai.
हैं। आपका क्या है भाई?
Okay, I'm going next. Then so see, you know, I don't want problems in life. That's my basic thing. Okay, life चलती रहे, कुछ problem हो, I need someone.
दोस्त सुबोध तो नहीं है.
I want a safe choice, someone who's sorted. What I want is कि मैं एक कॉल करूं, मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट हो जाए. I want my
मेरे को
friend to be
पता है.
Bajirao Singham. I dial 100.
Bro, इसका
Mr.
influence
Singham.
चाहिए, दोस्त नहीं चाहिए.
Mr. Singham comes.
मुझे लगा प्राइम मिनिस्टर बोलेगा अभी कि मैं एक कॉल करूं.
I would, yeah. So Bajirao Singham, loyal to a T, good friend, will show up if I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, will support me.
Do you think you'll actually be able to chill with Singham?
Dude, post hours, after hours,
Post
Singham,
hours.
after hours, Singham is quite chill, dude. He likes to sing songs with his wife and fiance and what have you. He's chilling, dude.
This is Singham.
He watches Ramayana and all.
This is Singham from which
Yeah, which
Oh, he
Singham?
doesn't
Singham?
actually, huh?
Huh? Singham from which Singham?
Singham from the first one, man. The first one. Isn't he chill in the first one? Guys, isn't he chill, dude?
He is the most chill in Suryavanshi, which is not even his film.
Yeah, that's why he's chill.
That's why
I
he's
have to
chill.
carry this. So, there were two options, right? Chulbul Pandey and Singham both could be there. But Chulbul Pandey is too mischievous. You can't trust him,
Yeah.
you know, to show up for when you want him to show up. But Singham, मेरे घर पे चोरी है.
क्या criteria
If there's a stabber at my house, like Saif's house, if Singham को बुलाया तो वो आ जाएगा भाई time पे.
Bullet counterpoint.
Doesn't take bribes. Chulbul Pandey will take bribe. He'll want my money from me, man. I don't want that. Singham is like,
Fair,
again,
fair.
fucking
No, but
honest cop.
if you're his friend, then you shouldn't take a bribe from him. You should do your work without taking a
That's what I'm
bribe.
saying. Chulbul Pandey won't be as good a friend.
No, but my
No, but yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
counterpoint is Singham is a cop, right?
Yeah.
He'll always have to be so busy all the time. So when will you hang with
Hey,
Singham?
I just said I don't need to hang with my friends that much. I just need to know they are friends.
तेरे को बस influence चाहिए.
हाँ,
So if you
क्या problem है क्या उसमें? हाँ?
अरे
Is it wrong to want influence and power in life? तेरे को rich चलता है तेरे को
do
अभी
you have
समीर? तेरे को पैसा दे रहा है क्या वो?
do you have influential friends in life like in real life right
नहीं
now?
इसलिए सही रहा है क्या कर रहा है समझते क्यों तुम लोग?
What if you're the influential friend?
Oh dude, then sad.
How many friends of yours have Mercedes?
What? I don't sit and count.
मतलब there are people
like
who
before
are
sleeping, how people count sheep. I'm counting Mercedes 100 and Mercedes 890 Mercedes. I don't know.
मेरे पूरे सर्कल में किसी के
मेरे भी
पास
किसी के पास नहीं है.
Dude, like I have family friends. Like my friends' friends, like parents' friends,
अच्छा
who have like luxury cars and all.
That doesn't count.
your friends.
I don't
And then
know.
I have you guys as friends.
Bro,
dude.
don't you think Singham will dominate this
Oh, there's
equation?
nothing wrong with that, dude. Why you try to find faults with my Singham? There's nothing wrong with being
Like
a dominant relationship.
you will end up being his yes man, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, but my life is so sorted when I'm home. It's chill, dude.
Okay,
I can
fine.
break laws, break a signal or two, you know.
So do you want to be friends with a cop to be able to break laws? But then he's also the good cop. No, if you will break laws,
so he'll put you in jail.
Pull you in.
No, I won't break laws after all.
Now you will have to be friends with Chulbul Pandey.
Oh shit. So both. I'll be friends with both. You know, depends on what I'm doing that day. What my activities are like that day.
Basically, you want to be in Singham 4, which is going to come. Because Chulbul
Yeah,
Pandey is going
Chulbul
to
Pandey
come.
is going to
Yeah,
be there.
wow,
yeah.
that's a perfect universe.
Wow, dude.
Another episode idea. Which universe you want to be in? I'm in fucking whatever, Singham 4, bro. Great. Excellent, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you agree? Well, how much would you rate this friendship?
0.
I don't think it's a friendship. It's
Bro,
it's
it's
purely
an arrangement.
convenience. It's an
Hey,
arrangement.
I'm an informant
Yeah.
for the cop.
Yeah, that's not a friendship. If you think informants are for cops are their
The
friends.
informant thinks, अरे ये तो cop तो मेरा दोस्त है ना भाई. If
हाँ,
the cop
पर
is
उसको-
using me, तो use me, bro. I don't care. As long as I'm out of jail, I'm chilling. My life is good.
Sure. If you
Let me
think
know what you think in the comments, guys.
friend, हाँ.
Is Singham a better
Anyway.
friend than Sameer? Sameer, the most boring fucking douchebag ever.
Who's more
Sameer?
influential, a rich guy or a cop? Huh?
Perfect choice. Perfect friend. Always friendly with me.
Okay, fine. You made your case.
And,
Now,
and way
Snehal.
better than Sameer, I would say. 100%, 100 times better.
Why is it a competition
It
always
is.
with this guy, man?
My friend trumps your friend.
My friend Trump. Right, but
Huh.
I would like to be friends with Rocky Randhawa this side. From
कर दी ना
Actually,
अमीरों वाली बात.
Rocky-
सबको पैसा
इसकी
चाहिए.
बन भी जाएगी,
Dude,
Rocky
सबको
रंधावा.
पैसा चाहिए बस पैसा Louis
How is
Vuitton,
that money?
Range Rover.
bro, एक
Rocky
second.
Randhawa's money only.
Yeah, but he's
money
more.
and heart. He's money
Bro,
and heart.
he's so much fun. He's
Sure.
so much more fun. आप दोनों का मिला के into 10 is again more fun.
He's such a heartthrob. जी.
Bro, imagine मैं ऐसा थक के अपने ऑफिस से निकला हूँ बाहर
हाँ.
और वो लैम्बोर्गिनी लेके खड़ा है, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में, फिर हम ऐसा ड्राइव पे
So
जाएंगे.
you want to date Rocky
Yeah,
Randhawa,
dude.
basically.
यार अपने दोस्तों के लिए नहीं करेगा क्या वो?
But he'll have to really try hard to find a song that says Snehil Aneja in it.
आजा मेरी गाड़ी में अनेजा.
B-U-T-T-E-R better.
But bro,
सुनो,
Rocky
सुनो,
Randhawa
मेरे
is
को
the
check
best
कर दी.
friend out of the first 3 that we that we've named. भाई क्या नहीं
Bro,
है?
he hates, he just makes his friend do menial tasks.
No.
You're saying this thing. The guy who is a cop.
एक second, Rocky Randhawa actually takes his best friend to everywhere he goes.
Yeah, like a bodyguard,
yeah.
like a
Like
tag along.
there are actual
Like a
scenes
tag along.
जहाँ पे जिस होटल में वो है उसी होटल में उसका दोस्त भी है. से उसने अगर
Yeah,
Fendi
carrying his water bottle and
उसने
shit, dude.
इसका Fendi पहना है तो उसने Gucci पहना है. It's all
His-
bro set है. एक बार ही
Bro,
Rocky Randhawa से दोस्त
Rocky
बन गया ना.
Randhawa only hangs out with wasters. So,
So we ये
if
तो
he's your
मानना
friend, you should understand.
ये
you
तो
are
मानना
not
पड़ेगा
really.
कि आप थर्ड हो.
Not at all, dude. Not at all. Singer was
Bro,
numero
Rocky
uno.
Randhawa से ज्यादा फन नहीं है कोई.
फन है बंदा बट
लॉयल है,
फ्रेंड
लॉयल है. He
No,
can
I
take
can
a
see that,
stand.
bro. Yeah, he
can take a stand.
knows how to party.
He knows how to party.
Okay.
He's such a heartthrob.
I said that joke.
और इसकी पता नहीं बन जाएगी दिल्ली दिल्ली.
Bro, दिल्ली bro, कैसे नहीं
Yeah,
बनेगी?
so yeah.
वो भी ब्रांड, मैं भी
South
ब्रांड.
Delhi, South.
वो पहन सकता है, मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
Nice. Okay, fair enough.
साला
Okay.
तुम दोनों की कितनी खोखले दोस्तियां हैं यार. तुम लोग सबको इन्फ्लुएंस के लिए दोस्ती कर
तू
रहे हो.
समीर के साथ
Only
था भाई.
me. हाँ, Samir and me will just chill,
What,
bro.
just
hang, yeah, do shit like that.
नहीं, रॉकी रंधावा भी मुझे दोस्ती के लिए चाहिए भाई.
दोनों गा रहे हैं, जिसे ढूंढता हूं मैं कहीं मिली मुझे.
इसलिए हम साथ में गोवा जा रहे हैं.
Correct.
But okay, I can see that. I can see you being
Yeah,
friends
na?
with Rocky Randhawa.
And we would be very good friends.
Yeah. But what after Rani comes into his life? Do you think he will?
He'll have no time for you.
Yeah.
Bro, brands.
What?
नहीं, so I'll tell you, if he does not have time for me, पहली बात तो दोस्ती तो रहेगी.
हाँ.
मतलब जैसे जो उसका दोस्त था, हम लोग रोज मिले ना शायद,
हाँ.
बट दोस्ती तो रहेगी.
ठीक है.
दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स प्रीटी मच ओके. मेरे को अगर बर्थडे पे एक रोलेक्स मिल रही है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट नहीं, आई थिंक ही वुड बी वेरी चिल.
Okay, cool.
और प्लस उसका मस्त मिठाई का.
हाँ, oh yeah, that's an
Oh, that
added
is true.
bonus advantage.
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
दिल्ली में तो हाँ यार ये तो बहुत चलता है कि
एग्जैक्टली.
दोस्त है तो
उससे एक
बस,
फ्रेंचाइजी ले लूंगा, मस्त बिजनेस चलाऊंगा अपना आराम से
biggest
बैठ
मिठाई
के.
वाला in the country.
Yeah,
Yes,
bro.
correct.
Okay, should we do the next round?
Okay, sure. Abbas, you want to
Another
go
one.
again?
So when you said that you wanted a friend where you call someone and they take care of it,
Oh, you copied me.
I thought you were gonna name this character, but you didn't. Who wouldn't want to be friends with Circuit from Munna Bhai?
Bro, I
guys?
wrote Munna Bhai down. as one.
Yeah,
पता है,
Circuit, bro.
एक
So why
second.
Circuit not Munna Bhai inside?
ब्रो एक सेकंड, शट अप बोथ ऑफ यू. हमने एपिसोड के स्टार्टिंग बोला था कि हम क्लीशे चॉइसेस नहीं लेंगे.
किसने बोला
That's why I
क्लीशे
didn't go
चॉइस
with
नहीं
this-
होगी?
this wasn't my final
तूने बोला
preference.
क्लीशे चॉइस है, मैंने बोला हाँ मेरी भी क्लीशे चॉइसेस है.
नहीं, बट देन ही सेड कि आई थिंक वी शुड स्विच ऑल द क्लीशे चॉइसेस और हम लोग कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करते हैं. और आपका पहला दिल चाहता है, दूसरा मुन्ना भाई है.
भाई अब इतना फर्स्ट थॉट पे नहीं खेलना.
ये कब डिसीजन लिया कि क्लीशे थॉट नहीं होगा?
There's no wrong answer. I'm just
देयर इज नो रॉन्ग आंसर. ऑब्वियसली यू वांट्स टू
You wanna
बी
be friends with
friend.
I'll be friends with Circuit, bro. But like,
okay,
he's funny.
एक douchebag, एक गुंडा. ओके,
He's funny. मतलब वो जान छिड़कता है अपने दोस्त पे कि तो तू पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना भाई, मैं करता हूँ.
and
You
then
know?
helps
So he will-
cheat. Yeah,
हाँ, helps cheat.
helps
yes.
cheat, of course.
Yeah, gets you
Then
bodies, cadaver.
speaking of influential, like what can be more influential? तू करना, मैं लेके आता है. And he just he threatens all the people.
So what I want to know
Yeah.
is why Circuit and not Munna?
Because Munna
Because
is like
Munna has
the
Circuit.
yeah, but
by
Munna
extension.
Munna is like the elder statesman, right? And Circuit is like our friend group type guy, you know.
Pulton types.
हाँ, like सर्किट के साथ चिल कर सकते हैं. मुन्ना के साथ यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर टोज.
ओ भाई, ओ भाई.
हाँ, लिटिल बिट लाइक
तो
दैट.
मतलब आपको डर है कि अगर आप मुन्ना के साथ दोस्ती करोगे तो आप साइड केक बन के रह जाओगे.
नहीं उसको खल्लास हो जाएगा भाई.
हाँ, थोड़ा वो क्या मालूम भाई को कब बुरा लग जाए.
वो
और सर्किट
ये
के
बोले
साथ कुछ
for-
बात और ये चलना है.
Yeah.
सर्किट क्या इतना
He comes
बुरा
from a
मान रहा है.
मेडिकल फैमिली. अब्बास पहले फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा भाई. खत्म वहीं पे खत्म है.
Yeah, but also Circuit has a actually both Munna and Circuit have an emotional side.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
despite being like mard, they also know when to bring on the waterworks. And I also think Circuit will be a great wingman. Like if you're going out to pick chicks.
I think he'll threaten the woman into sleeping with you.
चीकी बहुत change हो गया है भाई.
चाकू
ए,
निकाल के.
पतली कमर whatever. ए शेंडी निकाल के निकाल.
Yeah, so Circuit is my second choice.
यार
Cliche as
so
it
there is
sounds.
there is absolutely nothing wrong with Circuit.
Yeah,
But
moving on.
Sarkeshwar. Yes, correct.
but you should not have picked him, dude. Like give us
Well,
interesting.
too bad, bro. My other choice was Jay and Viru. Even more cliche. Specifically Jay.
भाई
because he dies.
No,
What the fuck?
because he seems like the more introverted, sensible one.
But
Cool.
then both
brooding
अगर
one.
आप दोनों ही ब्रूडी हो जाओगे तो फिर बात कौन करेगा?
और फिर हर 30 सेकंड के बाद
also
कौन
good.
कौन बोलेगा I love friendships where we can just enjoy these silences. कौन बोलेगा भाई? Get someone like that, yeah.
I think I was wearing earphones and watching the Fantastic Four trailer when you guys made this.
Oh,
Okay, cliche wala nahi.
Fantastic Four is found fab.
Because my third choice is also cliche as fuck. I'm just giving giving you a heads up, right, bro?
Let's just guess. Now we should guess.
Let's just guess कि
तेरा ZNMD निकला ना भाई. ZNMD.
ZNMD नहीं होगा.
Round 2 करते हैं. मेरा हो गया.
वो old है ना ये थोड़ा ZNMD नहीं बोलेगा.
Okay, so Abbas, your shitty one.
You mean the best one? Yeah.
Yeah, from the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. My second choice. So from one Delhi wala to another Delhi wala.
भाई क्या बात कर रही है?
Again Delhi wala.
Yeah,
Wait, wait.
There are other cities in India.
Wait, can you guess? Wait.
but they're not fun, no, bro.
Bittu. From
Bittu?
Band Baja Bharat.
No, bro. Not Ranveer.
तो सेक्स करना.
विराट
कितने
कोहली
रणवीर करे?
Virat Kohli actually comes from the same neighborhood as me.
Does he really?
Who's the iconic Delhi character in Bollywood, bro?
हाँ, जिससे ऐसे बोलेगा वो. Oh, Abhishek Bachchan from Delhi 6.
No, maybe, but that's not. I don't think
Yeah,
that's like.
this is where I trump the rich card.
Okay.
I don't care about money anymore. I just want to chill.
भाई गरीब से शादी गरीब
गरीब शादी थोड़ी करनी है.
से दोस्ती कर
दोस्ती हाँ.
Any guesses or should I just tell, bro?
Just tell.
Bro, the Fukre gang, bro.
Oh, full gang only you took.
Bhai, tell me more like fun characters that like. ठीक है, ZNMD बहुत अच्छे दोस्त, वेरी गुड, डीप मीनिंग वगैरह वगैरह, डीप मीनिंग भाई, लेकिन फुकरे इज जस्ट बकैती भाई. लाइक देयर इज नथिंग मोर फन देन फुकरे व्हेन इट कम्स टू फ्रेंड्स गैंग.
Bro, I can't be friends with Chucha, dude. That's
Why?
the most irritating
Bro,
fucking
that's
thing.
the most fun character, bro.
Not by a mile, dude.
भाई सोचो, रोज सुबह उठ के सपने डिकोड करके लॉटरी बना रहे हैं और बहुत
मैंने भी I don't like the movie that much. I don't know why.
Yes, this close to leaving the podcast.
You keep talking about how good it is. Like it's a very okay movie. Dude. Also, Chucha is very irritating, and he gets progressively more irritating every movie.
यार पता है, तो अब वही जैसे अभी आप देखोगे फुकरे तो शायद उतनी फनी ना लगे आपको, बट जब आई थी what a rager that film was भाई. एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट कि रोज रात को उसको सपना आता है, सुबह उठता है और वो कुछ रैंडम सपना बनाता है, एंड उस सपने की स्टोरी को सुन के दिस अदर गाय, व्हाट्स हिज नेम, व्हाटएवर हिज नेम इज, वो उसको डिकोड करके लॉटरी का नंबर खेलने जाता है और वो लॉटरी जीत जाता है हर बारी. या तो बेसिकली लाइक एक बारी उनको पैसे की जरूरत पड़ती है तो दे गो टू अ मदाम, आई गेस, as told to me,
बादाम नहीं.
and Bholi Punjaban, dude, the universe, the gang, it's so much fun.
You think you'll be able to fit in that?
Oh,
Gang?
भाई
Don't you think you're a little too polished for that gang?
भाई अपन गिर लेंगे नीचे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है लाइफ में, बट एटलीस्ट फन करने को मिलेगा ना भाई, चिल फन करेंगे.
Like me and Samir, yeah, that's true.
नहीं
Like me and Singham. Oh, nice, dude.
Sure. So
Singham and I
Fukre gang
actually
ही ले
like
ली.
that.
Any one character you want to mention?
Lali, the Sardar guy.
Okay, I have. Acha, I know the actor. Antriksh, are you changing your choice right now?
No,
He's like,
not
he's
all.
so threatened by my answers. He's
No,
like,
not all. So,
What is your
firstly,
non-cliche?
this is
ये क्लीशे नहीं था वैसे, फुकरे क्लीशे.
क्यों आप दोनों में से किसी ने सोचा था फुकरे? सोचा था? नहीं सोचा था ना?
उसको नहीं पसंद है पिक्चर और मुझे
because it's not a good answer. I didn't think about it.
Okay,
Guys,
what's
it's like
your
you guys don't understand.
what's a great
Oh,
answer?
bro, what a good answer could be is Chunni Lal from Devdas.
Bro, best
I
answer.
just thought.
Best
No,
answer
ऐसा
would
हो
be Sikandar from Sikandar because वो राजा है bro. राजा शादी बोल रहा हूँ. राजा से दोस्ती किसको नहीं करनी?
वो सबको बता भी देता है तेरा ऑर्गन डोनर कौन है, डोनीज कौन है, सब बता
Just don't be
देगा.
an organ donor. You're sorted, dude. What's the problem? But
what?
that's obviously joke answer. I would like fucking
Made notes and all.
dude. Yeah, dude. I take this very seriously.
बाजीराव
Dude,
सिंघम.
very seriously I take this.
Tell me
नोट्स
what.
बना के आपका आंसर बाजीराव सिंघम था भाई.
Why?
सोचो.
इसलिए तो I had reasons, man. It makes sense. I want a friend who is always supportive. Okay. Who I can feel comfortable copying from in an exam. Okay, so very smart. Okay. Then I can.
Chatur.
No.
Three Idiots, huh?
Dude, Ranchod Das Chanchad, dude.
That's
The
your
best
choice?
friend, supportive to death, till death. Okay,
भाई वो अपने दोस्तों को छोड़ के भाग जाता है.
bro, that's because family commitments and all, dude. उसका वो
वो
pact
उसकी
था.
फैमिली भी नहीं होती.
Bro, वो pact था, bro. वो
तो पैक के चक्कर में वो दोस्ती तोड़ के चला जाएगा.
Bro, उसका नाम
और
भी रणछोड़ नहीं
और वो
था.
बताएगा भी नहीं आपको कि वो कहाँ जा रहा
Bro,
है.
he's-
आपको सूसू देखते हुए जाना पड़ेगा ढूंढने के लिए कि
Bro.
यहाँ पे सूसू
Also,
से
he's the
electric-
guy who जो बोलता है कि तू फेल हो जाएगा वो फर्स्ट आ जाएगा तुझे चलेगा.
Bro, I just said I'll copy from him.
It's not like वो फरहान और उसको
राजू.
फरहान और नाइट्रेट को वो राजू और फरहान को वो
कॉपी
पास
करने
कराता
दे
है.
रहा है. हाँ.
हाँ, but he'll make me, you know. Let me believe in my
okay,
friendship
okay.
with Sanchar. Okay, supportive. If my parents are ever in trouble, he's gonna take them on a scooter. Okay. Fucking. So what? If you're not in touch after college, big deal, dude. I just said some friendships last till college.
But you are looking for a friend right now.
Yeah, you're
I'm
not
not
in
looking
for a
college.
friend
I'm
in
looking for a friend in different
2017.
phases of my life. Singham is right now. Okay, Sanchar is college life, dude.
My crime rate could be high right now.
Yeah, Sanchar is college life, bro. You get it?
Isn't Ranchod Das like a little weird? Like, would you like to be
He's
seen?
gonna be your friend.
Would you like to be seen in public with him? Is what I'm
Of course, he's scholar है भाई वो.
I'm just asking.
Scholar है भाई वो. वो पूरा IIT टॉप किया उसने. ठीक है?
IIT नहीं टॉप
जब ये ICE क्या था?
अब पता नहीं है जो
Indian College of
इंडियन कॉलेज ऑफ
Engineering,
इंजीनियरिंग
ICE.
ICE.
Yeah, top
I think
किया.
apparently वो IIM का कॉलेज
He
है.
has that cool pen.
I don't know.
Right, that we
Wow.
got invented.
Oh, your
Astronaut
friend with
pen.
for a pen.
Astronaut
Oh my
pen.
god.
Dude, greatest inventor of our time, Phuntsuk Wangdu, is Sanchar, dude.
So you'll make him invent things for you.
Yeah, invent ways of making money or something, you know.
But the other two friends are like they are also a part of this
Oh,
gang.
fuck them, dude. I don't give a shit. They're there. क्या वो एक photography कर रहा है, कुछ तो कर रहा है और तीसरा कुछ. पर ठीक है.
तो भाई सोचो रणछोड़ दास शामक दास चांचड़ के कितना प्रॉब्लम है. एक बंदा फोटोग्राफी कर रहा है, एक किताबें लिख रहा है, तीसरा पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है.
Yeah, talking about Ranchod
और
Das.
वो भूख हड़ताल
Yeah,
पे
yeah.
अपने
Correct.
स्टेट में.
I do podcasts about how I know Ranchod Das,
रणछोड़
Chachad,
दास
Phuntsuk Wangdu.
वहाँ पे भी बेचारा उसी को कैश इन कर रहे हैं सारे.
Correct.
I
That's
feel
it.
like it's a lot of like it's a big task. Like he goes missing, then you have to go search for him.
But
you have
bro,
to
you're not
sing Behti
understanding,
Hawa
dude.
Sa
This
Tha Wo.
friend will break into a college professor's office to get me the cheated
But
answer.
basically, you want to be Chetan Bhagat essentially because this movie was based on the book that he wrote, 5
Yeah.
Point Someone.
Yeah, whatever, man. Try as you might, you're not gonna make me feel bad about this choice. So what if it's Chetan Bhagat? It's also Raju Irani, dude. I like to be friends with Raju Irani, man.
I feel
But
like you're
yes.
closer to Omi than you are to Chatur.
I'm
than
closer to Omi. You just made me Omi, dude.
Yes.
You just made me the most uncool guy.
Hey, the most
Douchebag.
uncool.
The biggest douchebag on that. Again, Chachad was the douchebag, dude.
Chachad was a
Chachad
proper
was a
douchebag.
douchebag.
But he was
basically,
cool.
huh?
But he was cool according to him.
Yeah.
Who?
Cool.
Chachad.
Douchebags are cool, man. according to-
Ranchod Das.
हाँ, was he cool? Abbas?
A little bit.
Yeah, that's why I want to be friends with Ranchod Das Chachad.
So you're the guy who made that really vulgar joke in the speech that Chatur
But
did.
I'm not Omi. Why do you keep making me Omi?
No, but your
friend did that.
your great idea was I will replace this word with that word and then it'll be so
That's
hilarious.
what दरार पड़ गई हमारी दोस्ती में because of that.
अरे इसीलिए
Because
आपने
of that.
कॉलेज के बाद दोस्ती तोड़ दी इसके साथ.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
correct. Now you
That
get it.
was the
Complete
line.
circle.
और अब वो चीजें इन्वेंट कर रहा है ताकि वो आपको मना सके वापस से.
Exactly.
और आप वापस दोस्त बन जाओ.
Exactly, dude. You get it.
And that's why he's offering him the pen also.
Yeah. Also, if you go to meet him, you get to travel the Ladakh. Yeah, dude. Fun time.
Will you join him in his like I'm assuming now he's fighting for
I mean, I
rights.
you just said I'm a podcaster.
So he will
Fair,
amplify
fair.
his
You
fight.
amplify his your friend's
To
voice.
the 7,600
man.
people that
Correct.
listen to us.
Or he will, make some kind of crazy podcast technology that just sounds
It's
wrong.
okay, we are convinced. Yeah, you don't need to
No,
convince
I'm
us.
not
know, man.
convinced, but okay. Just to end this
You know, man,
conversation, I'm like, okay.
He'll make like some awesome
Might I
recorder.
add, also a fucking cliche choice, okay? Because 3 Idiots is also a friendship movie. You're like, I like to be friends.
Hey, you
with
can't call out
No, of
any
course it
cliches
is, yeah,
for the rest
it
of the
is.
episode. Okay, you're done. You're done.
पहला कौन था आपका? वो
मेरा?
समीर दिल चाहता है.
Samir from Dil
दूसरा-
Chahta Hai.
और दूसरा
Circuit from
Circuit
Munna
from
Bhai.
Munna Bhai.
Yes.
Literally अब शोले ही बची है इसके बाद.
I replaced Jay and Viru with Circuit, bro.
अच्छा ओ
Yeah, third round.
अच्छा give us hints, we'll guess who's your third best friend.
But first,
No,
before
should I
that,
go? You want to go?
Before that, tell us in the comments what do you think of my third option, my second option, which was was the second
Rancho.
one?
Fungsugu
Fungsugu
Angalua.
Angaluru Ranchoda.
Rancho.
My best friend, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, now I'll go with unconventional choice. Yeah,
ओ
third
बट
one, yeah.
आपने तो बोला था तीसरा वाला और
Then
हद
जो
कर-
change कर दिया मैंने.
अच्छा
Yeah,
in
yeah,
your mind.
in my mind.
चलो ठीक है, पहले हम आपका कन्वेंशनल वाला गेस्ट तो करें कम से कम.
नहीं रुक, मैं अपना अनकन्वेंशनल वाला बता रहा हूँ पहले.
अच्छा ठीक है, बताओ.
My unconventional choice. I would like my
Wait,
friend.
wait, wait. Can we guess the unconventional call?
Guess.
Amitabh Bachchan from Piku.
No.
मनोज बाजपेयी फ्रॉम गैंग्स ऑफ
No.
वासेपुर.
Manoj Bajpayee from Satya.
No.
क्रिश्चियन
Interesting
बेल
choice,
फ्रॉम
though.
बैटमैन. But give us 3 hints, we'll guess.
Yeah.
कर तो लिया तुम लोगों ने तीन.
अरे हिंट
hint
दो,
दे रहा है.
3 हम गेस करेंगे.
This character is played by one of your favorite actors.
ऋतिक रोशन.
Maybe.
ZNM man. Shit, कोई मिल गया.
My choice is Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar from Jodha. I would want Emperor Akbar
Great.
to be my friend.
Great. This guy who wanted no power influence in life. Who said, I don't care about riches.
No, I'm kidding. Okay, I'll give you my cliche choice. That this one you can get. It's the most cliche.
राज.
No,
Guess
but
ना.
you're in the ballpark.
Oh, Rahul. Some
From
Rahul.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yeah.
Oh, Aman.
Who?
Salman, Aman.
सलमान.
No, I had Anjali, bro.
Yeah.
Think about it, guy.
Yeah, look. He basically wants someone to fall in love with him.
No.
Yeah, dude.
Good point. That's what I that's why I asked before we started rolling. I categorically
Dude,
asked.
he wants
अबे बोलने दे.
he wants to get laid with Anjali because
No.
एक लड़का और एक लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. It's from that movie only, not some other movie. It's that movie.
I know. No, so I was saying that before we started rolling, I categorically asked, is this like, is it strictly friendship or is it like something that you are friends now, but maybe in future something would happen?
This is
So
literally
that's why-
friend zone.
That's why I have
You literally try to get out of the friend zone.
I have an asterisk on this. My choice is Anjali from the flashback, the college Anjali.
So the one who
The
friend
bubbly
zones.
Anjali.
The one who does friend zone.
She's the one who gets
She's the one
friend
who
zoned, bro.
gets friend
Yeah,
zoned.
that's true. So the friend zone exists, right?
In this movie, yes, but
It exists.
It doesn't.
Of course it does.
Can I
dude.
fucking tell you I want her to be my friend?
Yeah, we know, man.
bro.
Jesus
we know.
Christ.
We know because of that unibrow.
Yeah, she doesn't give a fuck about how she looks. She's just
like
Don't call her ugly, dude. What the
extremely
fuck?
fun to hang out with. Through her, you get all the gossip of what's happening in college. I get some physical workout by
How
playing
do you get all the
basketball
gossip?
because she's like a gossip monger. No, she knows what's happening with everyone, who's seeing who's Rahul giving friendship bands to, all of that shit. So I get to know.
Also stalker.
अबे स्टॉकर क्या दोस्तों से बात नहीं करता है क्या ये तो. So that despite all of that, she's in the good books of the teachers. So
क्योंकि वो literally teacher's pet है.
Okay, so some of that you get reputation rubs off on the friends also, and yeah, she's the fun person to hang with in college, bro. Like, you know, like if Anjali was in 2000 whatever 25, you know, like her Instagram page would be banging, you know, like she would know all the fun stuff to do, all the fun what
She would not- she would-
gigs are playing at
She
antisocial.
would not share your Quint articles, bro, for sure.
Of course she will, yeah. No, she will not share it, sure.
He just
But-
wrote an article for Quint, guys. Please check it out.
Yeah, please check it out. It's about Jack Black and why we don't have an Indian Jack Black. But she would
Because
know all
he's
the
white.
she would know all the cool gigs playing at antisocial.
वो मैं बता दूंगा भाई आपको. उसके लिए आप क्यों?
पर तू अंजलि नहीं है ना. तो अंजलि, you're not as fun as Anjali.
नहीं, आपको बेसिकली एक ऐसा इंसान चाहिए जो
I
आपको
want a
प्यार
manic
करे.
pixie dream girl to be my friend.
Oh,
Look it up.
And then you want to fall in love. That's what
No,
your ulterior
Geet
motive
was
is, I do.
no, that's not my ulterior motive. That's what I'm saying. Only pre flashback Anjali, not. And also
not the sari Anjali.
in this scenario,
Tracksuit
Rahul already exists, so she's already in love with Rahul.
Okay, fair.
Yeah.
आप वो लंबे बाल वाले ड्रमर हो मतलब.
He has a name, no?
Rahul.
मतलब I'm
No,
sure
no.
he has a
Anupam
name,
Kher
bro.
says his name in the movie. Feroz, cut your
What's up,
hair.
bro?
Acha.
Yeah. So I'm
Nice.
Feroz,
Yes,
basically.
you're
Yeah.
Feroz. Okay, nice.
In this universe, I also have long hair.
Long hair, yes.
Yeah, true.
And
So
you're still-
Anjali, you're my bro. Let's play some basketball, bro. I don't know how to whistle.
Then you can't be friends with her.
Why?
then you
She
can't
knows
be
how to
friends.
whistle,
Sorry, boss.
and Rahul knows how to whistle.
So what, तू बस ऐसा करेगा क्या?
हाँ.
What? Who's your third and the final option?
My third and final option is Uday Majnu.
Bro.
From Welcome. तेरा भी था क्या?
Welcome. but तुम दोस्त कैसे बन रहे हो भाई लोगों से यार?
तेरा सर्किट क्या है?
Circuit is not bhai.
Of
Circuit is
course he's
bhai's
bhai.
sidekick.
What are you talking
Circuit
about?
is not a gangster.
What
He's
the other people don't call him bhai?
Circuit is not the influential gangster. He's the guy who like do like the
Dude,
chota
but then
mota
why do you
kaam.
wanna be guy-
You're fucking Uday.
I wanna be friends
like,
with the top
dude,
guy.
Who
You wanna be
functions from
friends-
Dubai?
You want to be friends with the minion, dude? I
Yeah,
wanna be
because I
friends
can hang with
the
him and
top
chill with
order,
him.
Top of the line, dude.
Like, good luck being friends
Yeah,
with him.
man,
Yeah,
of course.
They'll only be friends with other people who are of their order.
So I guess I'm influential in this world, man.
Balls.
Well,
So
then-
your one friend is a cop and the other friend is a gangster.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the best of worst. That's
Right,
how,
yeah.
dude. In reality, that's how billionaires roll, bro. What are you talking about?
Who's the billionaire?
Him.
In this scenario, I'm rich, dude. How do you?
So
not
why
get-
do you need friends?
I mean, you know, that's how you.
Can't talk to his Mercedes, bro.
Yeah, क्या करूँगा मैं?
Ignition चला के रेस दे दे के बात कर रहा है.
और क्या चल रहा है सब? Mostly, nice.
हाँ बता दो उदय
आज
भाई
तुम
के
बड़ी
साथ
silver
क्या-
लग रही हो.
But Uday's best friend is Majnu भाई, no?
तो मैं
इन दोनों का best friend है.
भाई मेरे को बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं बनने का है दोस्त बना के रख दो मेरे को भाई
Acquaintance.
कोने में
Again, you'll end up being the guy who like मेरे पैर में whatever. You'll end up being
That's
that
not friend.
guy. But then that's
That's employee.
They also must have come in the gang thinking they're gonna be his friends.
I'm not employee bro I'm fucking friend.
I'm a freelancer.
I'm friend I'm what Akshay Kumar thinks he has become of Uday's when he touches fucking Anil Kapoor
ले फिर से छुआ.
yeah like that scene I'm what Akshay Kumar thinks he
Thinks
is.
he is.
That's the best way to put it yeah I just thought of it dude great smart.
That is true. You are what Akshay Kumar
Yes.
thinks he is.
Great dude exactly so अगर ऐसा दोस्त मिल जाए भाई कितनी वर्ट होगी तुम्हारी लाइफ में
Oh bro, what
कितनी
is such
बात
a
होगी
Punjabi
भाई?
word?
सिर्फ
dude?
इन्फ्लुएंस के लिए चाहिए तुम लोग को दोस्त.
तुम लोग को दोस्त क्या?
और
भाई,
तो
भाई-
तुम दोनों.
भाई मैं लिटरली
तूने
उन लोगों
अकबर
से
बोल दिया ठीक है
मैं उन लोगों से दोस्ती कर रहा हूँ जो भाई लॉटरी खेलते हैं.
हाँ भाई
इन्फ्लुएंशियल कहाँ से होगा
bro
वो?
और मेरा दोस्त will help me bro why you mad at me for wanting better in my life can I not want betterment in life
That's not friendship. That's again like an arrangement.
dude they say the show me your two friends and I'll show you where you'll be in 5 years
Can you call Uday bhai at 2 a.m. in the night?
Of course.
yeah bro
अरे भाई
bro वो लोग तो जागे रहेंगे गुड्डे
क्योंकि
उड्डे सोते ही
वो
जल्दी
तो
यार।
यूएस में बिजनेस कर रहे हैं ना
correct,
तो
bro.
उनका तो टाइम ही अलग है.
Exactly, man,
वो
you
तो
get it.
पक्का जागे
वो तो
होंगे.
है.
सिंघम दिन के लिए उदय रात के लिए
और फुनसुक वांगडू
पुंसु बांगड़ू शाम
शाम
के
को आ जाता
लिए. यार आजा तू इन्वेंशन कर दे.
और बस.
और सर बढ़िया आप
अरे-
बताओ.
Uday Majnu one of them is
Do you not want to be
Good
friends
answer.
with Malika Sherawat in the film?
Lैला Majnu
Friends with
and Uday
benefits.
अरे पर फिर टू मच मैं भी क्या अब उसके साथ भी मैं
If
कंफ्यूजिंग हो
Uday asks you for an honest opinion on something, would you be able to give it to him?
नो मैन बट I don't give honest opinions to all my friends
Am I a good podcaster?
yeah
इसका जवाब हो चाहिए था Do you have an award Abbas? Because mine is kept right there.
no I said I'm not always honest with all my friends
And we got the
Yes.
joke. Jeez. Okay, fine,
I thought you
bro.
didn't get it that's why I said
Obviously I did. I just cracked another one.
oh it didn't work sorry I'm just fucking
Hostility,
Sorry,
bro.
sorry,
It's an episode about friendship.
sorry
Okay, so Uday bhai from Welcome is your choice. Snail,
So as
final choice of the episode.
Bhai-
Better be good.
it is the best. The best. There is
Another Delhi boy?
no. This is a woman.
Oh,
Delhi
okay.
woman
no, not Delhi woman.
It
But
is
a
Rani
very,
from Rocky Rani.
but a very cool woman.
Oh. Dimple Kapadia?
Dimple from मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन. Katrina Kaif's character from मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन.
You've not seen that movie, have you?
I mean, you guys are just perverts, dude.
What the fuck, bro?
You guys just
She's
watch-
a literal
you guys
rock star in the film.
Yeah.
Why would you not want to be friends with a rock star?
I don't know. I mean,
Like she plays a
can.
rock star?
Bro, she's a वो गाना नहीं सुना? वो गाना देखा आपने? धुनकी लागे.
So she's a bad rock star. Guy.
Wait, Dimple Kapadia.
अरे डिम्पल
अरे
कटरीना
Katrina
कैफ्स
Kaif का
Katrina
नाम है.
Kaif. Oh, okay.
कटरीना कैफ्स
I thought
कैरेक्टर.
fucking Dimple.
Get out of
Kapadia.
your older woman fantasy.
Hey, you guys called me Akshay Khanna, okay? You can't blame me.
But bro, why do you not see it? Dimple from
Is there any other reason besides that she's a rock star?
No, she's Katrina Kaif, dude. That's the reason.
but she's a
Fair, I give it to you. Yes, you win.
तो पहले क्या रहा था मुझे पता है मैं जीत जाऊंगा इसमें बट ब्रो she's a rock star so she's gonna be touring the world country
And you're gonna tag along.
of course she's my best friend dude but she's your best friend yeah obviously I'm gonna tag along bro ठीक है तो that भाई स्टेज वेज पे जाने के मिलेगा she is a party animal
Again, चल arrange में stage वेज पे जाने को मिलेगा.
यार,
मैं भी
अरे.
कर लूंगा थोड़ा 5
Why-
minutes.
All your friendships are so transactional.
Yeah,
guys.
clearly. Both of you. Anyway,
तो क्या
continue.
अकबर को क्या खाना पार्टी में बुलाएगा
No, man, see, all my choices, we're just gonna chill, bro.
तो मैं
Sameer
भी
Circuit,
Rockstar के साथ chill
Sameer
करना
Circuit
चाहता
and
हूँ.
Anjali, we make such a great group. Anyway, continue.
भाई आप लोग रॉकस्टार के साथ चिल नहीं करना चाहते
Again, it's like
नहीं यार, रणबीर कपूर from Rockstar will be a terrible actor.
I mean, wouldn't it be like वो औदे वाली बात नहीं आ जाती कि ये बंदी मेरी दोस्त है लेकिन
भाई आपके घटिया दोस्त रहेंगे लाइफ
okay,
में,
let
जो
me
ऐसा-
let me ask. Me and Antriksh will probably relate to this. Guys you started out with in the comedy scene, but they are now way more popular than you are.
Yeah.
You're still friends with them.
Depends on who. Man.
But there's
Some
there's that unsaid this thing, no? That this guy is now famous.
unsaid distance that happens because.
नहीं but अच्छा
of
नहीं
popularity.
tell me
Again,
genuinely
depends on the friend, dude.
yeah
Like
dude
if you were
Okay.
she
if
could
you were
be a
very
good
good friends
friend
before,
Okay.
then yeah.
also I am not in the same
I love in this scenario we have
Bro,
to take
also,
for that Katrina is really good
Yeah.
friends with Snail.
Katrina
It's
the
deep, bro.
Katrina the rock star is like.
As if her beauty
Bro,
was not a
मैं
cut-off.
जा तो रही हूँ लंदन
लेकिन
but I'm not happy that my snail is not with me today.
अरे bro but
एक जेट करवाना पड़ेगा स्नेहल अनेजा के लिए.
hand to your heart, you didn't choose this because you in this scenario you eventually want to be romantically involved
No.
with
No.
balls.
भाई
no.
Balls.
अभी तेरे को अंजलि के बारे में ये बोला. Same argument.
No, so that's why I specified it's the pre
He says
college.
she's a rock star. Katrina Kaif.
bro like do you not see like how cool it is
Kajol and Katrina, bro.
bro are you like literally like
So okay, so why did you choose the Katrina Kaif character? You could have chosen anyone from Rock On.
Yeah, chosen the brother in Brother Ki Dulan.
If rockstar is the criteria.
no तो रणबीर भी ले सकता था
हाँ.
बट वो कितना फक्ड अप है अपने
हाँ,
माइंड
है,
में
ठीक है, तो Rock On
ठीक
में
है.
से किसी को ले ले.
तो वो भी फक्ड अप
अर्जुन रामपाल को ले ले.
भाई
भाई,
कितने
अर्जुन रामपाल
fucked-
कितना उदास रहता है
कितना
ना.
उदास
बाद में फिर-
रोता रहता
बाद
है
में
bro.
फिर
मेरे को
successful
आर्क
होगा.
नहीं बनाना है उसके
तो-
साथ लाइफ में भाई कटरीना
गाता
आप
है.
मूवी देखो कटरीना इज चिलिन इन द एंटायर फिल्म पीपल आर जस्ट लाइक कि भाई कटरीना एक बार बस मुड़ के देख ले हमारी तरफ तो हम गिर जाए नीचे ठीक है भाई इस शी इज चिलिन शी इज पार्टिंग शी इज ट्रैवलिंग अपनी मर्जी की
Someone
मालिक
else who's a
है
very good friend is in a Katrina Kaif movie is Upen Patel from Namaste London. Sends her money when she wants to escape from India. And then he gives her the whole plan. You know, your bro, to chill kar wahan pe. Just act as if you're married to Akshay Kumar. Come to London and then we'll fucking move.
ये एपिसोड का टाइटल होना चाहिए था influential people we wish were our influential characters we wish
नहीं
were
नहीं,
our
that would
friends.
change the answer.
That would भाई फिर तो
सबका अंबानी रहेगा भाई.
Influential
Ambani
characters I said, not real people.
Oh, अंबानी
नहीं
not
but
real.
I think my bases were not influential people
Have
यार,
you
my
seen
bases
मेरे
were-
ब्रदर की दुल्हन?
I know.
Okay.
आपने नहीं देखी मेरे ब्रदर की
Dude, I'm just a very good actor. I act my ass off. Like Katrina is a great rock
एंड
star.
एक्चुअल में मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन इज अ वेरी फन
Yeah.
फनिश फिल्म
यार आज के हिसाब से तो सभी कुछ उस
नहीं
time
आज के
का
हिसाब
fun
से
है.
नहीं वो तब भी फन ही थी
Okay.
मतलब उसके गाने मतलब इट्स आल्सो लाइक very light-hearted watch where all of them, like Imran Khan is in the movie, Ali Fazal is in the movie, and this woman Katrina is in the movie.
I don't like Ali Fazal, but I'll probably give it a shot.
But यार it's a very fun film. बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म है, देखो और बहुत टाइम पास मजा आएगा देखने में. And then you can agree with me on my
Or
choice.
disagree.
No, agree is the only option.
Agree to disagree.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Agree to disagree.
Fine. Okay, let's recap.
Actually में KD पाठक पता है आपको कौन है? Have you
I've heard this.
Have you watched the show Adalat?
No.
रोनित रॉय.
हाँ वहाँ थुक्का भी मतलब बहुत पहले
उसको रोनित रॉय को लॉयर के
You want a lawyer friend?
bro I was like कि what a cool lawyer.
भाई मेरा police friend is a better option हो then.
Bro, no, na bro. Lawyer can help you before the crime also, after the crime.
And I'll choose Govinda from क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता यार.
But फिर उसका हृदय परिवर्तन हो जाता है ना. फिर
वो तो झूठ बोलता है.
पर वो तो झूठ बोलता है. लेकिन केडी पाठक एकदम ऐसा आपको
सिद्धांतों वाला है.
हाँ केडी पाठक का लास्ट डायलॉग पता है क्या होता है? सो जब सब कुछ वो प्रूव कर देता है ना, then he looks at the
Hence proved.
nah, so he looks at the criminal and he's like, so am I right or am I right? बहुत cool होता था भाई.
This was a show, अदालत.
हाँ टीवी शो था, सीरियल था.
But am I right and am I right is a very common overused line.
अरे हाँ मैं कहाँ मना कर रहा हूँ, मैं बस बता रहा हूँ.
I thought
वो बहुत
you
cool
thought that
तरीके-
Ronit Roy invented it.
नहीं अरे
पहली
रोनित
बार.
रॉय- नहीं पहली बार तो मोहब्बत की है तारा.
Cool. Let's recap our choices. My 3 fictional best friends, not best friends, friends are.
क्यों बेस्ट फ्रेंड क्यों नहीं?
चलो ठीक है भाई.
क्या खामी दिखी आपको अपनी?
Sameer
तीन
from
choices.
Dil Chahta Hai, Sarkit from Munna Bhai, and Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Amazing choices. Comments में लिख दो Abbas choices were the best.
You know, like now
Antariksh-
looking at your this thing,
Yeah.
it seems like a decent group.
Yeah, it's a decent
But
group.
only
It's a
together.
fun group.
Only together.
Okay.
Alone?
And without you.
Exactly right. My 3 options or my 3 supposed best friends are Bajirao Singham,
Yeah.
but could also be Chulbul Pandey in some scenarios. So Raat Din.
Yeah, fair.
Then it is Ranchod Das Chhanchod.
Yes.
And then it is Uday Majnu from Welcome series.
Oh, you don't want any female friends?
Never.
He gets friend zoned, bro.
Yeah. My 3 best friends are Rocky Randhawa this side, the Fukre gang, and Dimple Katrina Kaif from Mere Brother Ki Dulhan.
What a terrible group.
Bro,
Yeah, it's not a fun group.
भाई आप लोगों ने पिक्चर नहीं देखी, आप लोग की प्रॉब्लम है ये. बट जिन लोगों ने ये तीनों पिक्चर देखी है उनको पता होगा कि
Just repeat the 3 options. It was Katrina from Dimple from.
सो मैं आपको कैरेक्टर्स बताता हूँ, ठीक है. कटरीना छोड़ दो. रॉकस्टार who's chill as fuck, has no baggage, she's just chillin'. 4 friends who are again just chillin'. Rocky Randhawa who's rich and just chillin'. There is just chillin' in my group, bro.
Bro, I just realized my Bajirao Singham will fuck over all the other characters.
Why would he fuck over Funsuk Wangdu?
Dude, fraud.
फ्रॉड ना वो फ्रॉड है, वो
गुंडे
गुंडे
है।
है. तो आपको चुलबुल ही रखना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, correct. Chulbul करना पड़ेगा. Chulbul it is that. Yeah.
इन्होंने भी तो एक गैंगस्टर को कॉलेज स्टूडेंट के साथ दोस्त बना दिया है.
Alright, so those were our choices of movie characters we want to be friends with. Tell us in the comments who you would like to be friends with and also what movie characters we should be friends with.
हाँ मतलब क्योंकि हमारे अकॉर्डिंग तो हमारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कुछ और होंगे.
हाँ.
ठीक है, हमें तो लग रहा है कि अब वी आर कूल इनफ टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद कटरीना एंड हो सकता है.
We नहीं you.
मतलब आई तो एम
Yeah.
बट मैं ऐसा मतलब आपको
I chose Arshad Varsi.
What is this? Arjad Varsi. But you also chose
Saif Ali Khan.
Jalaluddin Mohammed.
Akbar.
Like अकबर, मैं अकबर का दोस्त बनेगा. But
Snehal Jodha का दोस्त. He likes rock stars and begums.
Nice choice.
Aishwarya and Katrina, bro.
Yeah, of course, yes. I know there'll be one comment from that guy who will be like, Abbas should be friends with Vijay Sethupathi from Maharaja.
Of course.
Yeah, of course. And mine would be Vatsal Seth from Tarzan.
Yeah.
But and actually I wouldn't mind
Yeah.
also.
Not Vatsal's heroine.
Not Tarzan, the Wonder Car.
Yeah, you should be friends with the car, bro.
With the car. I could actually be I could actually use Sameer's help in stealing the fiance and
He just wants Aisha Tuck, yeah.
Okay. I think it's very late.
Yeah,
We
it's
should
very
wrap
late.
up.
Oh, God.
So thank you so much for watching till the very end. Before we wrap up, please subscribe to the Filmy Colada channel. Like this video, share this video with your friends, fictional or real or otherwise.
Or yes.
And
Please follow my other shows, That Filmy Game Shows, Pender Bender. Please vote for our shows.
for the Podmasters.
Podcast Podmasters event.
हमने ये वाला नहीं डाला ना?
नहीं.
अरे यार lethargic लोग हैं हम लोग.
And yeah, thank you so much for all the support that you show us. And please share this video with anyone who you think would enjoy this kind of content. All right.
Yes. Anything you want to plug, Snail?
नहीं यार बस सब्सक्राइब कर लो इसको प्लीज बहुत जरूरी है. Very very
Okay.
important. Very important.
And we're always open to feedback. Tell us what
Yes.
other things you want to hear us speak about. And
One person actually reached out. He said do an episode on Himesh and Imran.
okay.
Yeah, great idea.
We have been trying to do an episode on Himesh Chamya and Imran Khan as
Imran
a duo.
Hashmi.
Imran Khan, sorry, Imran Hashmi as a duo. But हम लोग का ऐसा लगता है कि if we do that episode, it feels like कि oh bro वो गाना सुना था, bro banger, वो गाना सुना था,
वैसा
bro,
episode नहीं करना है.
banger.
We have to find a through line.
Yeah, we have to find a through line. We're trying to do that. We shall get back to you with one of the most requested episode, which is the Himesh Chamya episode. Till then, please subscribe to the channel.
We are all, we both are going for the Himesh live show.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're going for the Cap Mania tour. If you're there,
If you're there, please come say hi.
yeah, please come say hi and please ask him to buy tickets because
Yeah,
he's
I
like.
may or may not be there. But yeah, we've wrapped up enough number of time. Thank you so much one last time. This is three of us signing off. Bye bye.